Hello friends, welcome to Cadia. In this video series, we will learn how to use LUMION 8 Pro architectural rendering software. This is most beautiful software that have most easier graphical user interface than other rendering software. So the best thing of this software is that we will learn this software very easily. So go to the LUMION 8 Pro. This is start screen of LUMION 8 Pro. This is start button. Next for the examples and then load scene and save scene. In the start scene we get some preloaded plain, sunset and night, mountains and mountain in spring and white. These are the background of our scene. We can choose any one of these scenes. In the plane scene, if we click on this plane scene, we will get this plain area. This is ground and sky, and in this plane area we put our model and render it. And if we want go back on the start screen, then click on the files button and come back to the start, and we can choose other option like sunset. In sunset we get sun getting down and scene look like at sunset time. Okay, and again click on files, then start menu, click on the night button, sorry, on the night scene. This is at night time, so we can see our model at how this will look like at night. Click again on files, start, and so on spring. And on Lumion the water effect is very nice, and we can change color of water, direction of wind, any, we can do anything very easily. Again click on the files and go to the start screen. Next tab for the examples. In examples, Lumion created some models and save on this software like Villa Wenger and so many more. Interior, living room, office and garden. We can click on any these project and check this software how this will look like. Next for the load scene. In the load scene we can load pre-made files from our computer and we can merge that scenes. Next for the save scene, like we can save this scene by giving some title and description and click on the save as and give the location on our PC. So click on start button. This is start screen of Lumion. So click on the plane again and we will get Lumion 8 Pro build mode. This build mode we can get by this button. This is highlighted because we are in build mode. If we in photo mode, then photo will be highlighted. So come in build mode. Build mode have 5 layers generally, and we can exceed the number of layer by add layer. Later we will discuss about layers. This is weather tab. This is landscape tab. This is material and object tab. Each tab had menus, like in object these menu will appear. In landscape the menu will be changed, and in weather menu change for the sun and weather system. So click on object and we will get object options like nature, transport, indoor, people and animals, lights, project that we made, and We can change the location, height, rotation, and delete. So if we want save our this scene, click on Files button, give the name, description and save. Okay, come back on the build mode and further we can render our object. So this is very first lesson of Lumion 8 Pro, how to start and how to open Lumion 8 build mode. In the next lesson, we will discuss how to import our model and start rendering. So keep watching channel. Goodbye.